Howdy folks, Heller here with a quick Windows tip for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So there is a feature built into Windows. It's called it delivery optimization, and while it sounds helpful, it can actually slow down your PC over time by eating up system memory. So in this video, I will explain what it does, why it's problem, and how to turn it off safely. So what is delivery optimization? So delivery optimization is a Windows feature. It's designed to help your PC download update and app faster. It's worked by downloading updates not only from Microsoft server but also from other PCs, both on your local network and on the internet using a peer-to-peer system. So this feature is enabled by default on the both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So why delivery optimization is a problem? So despite its name, delivery optimization is purely optimized when it comes to system memory uses. A Reddit user named Nif and Nef shared a test result showing that this service can consume large amount of memory and just sit there running it the background. I personally tested this a couple of my laptop and can confirm the same behavior. It's startly slow your system down over time. So because of this, I strongly recommended you to turning delivery optimization off. And I'll be honest, it's always had this feature disabled. I don't fully trust Microsoft when it comes to handling your data on the local network and peer-to-peer system. Even with this turned off, I have never had any issue receiving Windows update on the time. So let's let's start how to turn off delivery optimization in Windows 11. Open up the setting, and now you have to move in the Windows update from the left pane. On the right, click on advanced option, and then the additional option select delivery optimization. And if it turn it on, simply have to toggle it off the allow download from other device. And now let's come to the Windows 10. Windows 10, the step on ever simpler. Open the setting, then go to the update and security, and in the left pane select the delivery optimization. If enabled, toggle it off, allow download from the another pieces. So what is the benefit of it turn it off? Once you disable it, you will free up system memory and reduce unnecessary background activity, allowing your PC on allowing your PC to focus on the more important processes. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helpful. Give a thumbs up and share it to other who might be dealing with the slow, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.